Have you ever noticed something strange? Your salary increases, your lifestyle improves, but somehow your actual net worth, your wealth, barely moves. You're earning more than you did 3 years ago. You're living better than you did 3 years ago. But if someone asked you, how much has your wealth grown, the honest answer would be almost nothing. Why does this happen? Why do so many salaried people, students becoming professionals, young employees, even people earning 70,000 to 1,20,000 rupees per month end up stuck in the same financial position for years? Today, I want to tell you a story, because hidden inside the story is the lifestyle upgrade that quietly keeps millions of people financially stuck without them even realizing it. Meet Rishi. He's 26 years old, working in Bangalore, earning 58,000 rupees per month. A good job, good company, and he feels like his life is finally moving. For the first year, he was living simply. Room rent 9,000 rupees, bike EMI 2,100 rupees, daily expenses 12,000 to 14,000 rupees. He was saving around 10,000 to 12,000 rupees every month. Not rich, but stable. Then something predictable happens. After 2 years, his salary becomes 78,000 rupees. And that's when the lifestyle upgrade begins. His colleagues are driving cars, his friends are moving into bigger apartments. Instagram is full of my new workstation, my new sedan, my new vacation. And slowly, he starts believing, I deserve better now, I'm earning more. So he shifts into a better apartment. Old rent 9,000 rupees, new rent 18,000 rupees. Then he upgrades from bike to car. Car EMI 12,000 rupees, insurance plus fuel 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. Suddenly, his expenses go from 28,000 to 52,000 to 58,000 rupees. Savings dropped from 12,000 to 3,000 rupees. Same person, higher income, higher lifestyle, almost zero wealth creation. Rishi thinks he has advanced in life, but financially he has gone backwards. This moment, the moment you upgrade your lifestyle faster than your income, is the hidden trap that keeps salaried people stuck. The world we live in is built to push you into lifestyle inflation. Your salary goes up 20%, but lifestyle gets upgraded 40%. Your friends don't say it directly, but you feel silently judged for still using a bike or still living in a modest apartment. Companies run ads designed to hit one feeling: you deserve this. And banks will happily give you EMIs because EMI equals guaranteed profit. So what looks like your choice is often not your choice. It's a system where salary increase equals new lifestyle equals new recurring costs equals lower savings equals no wealth. No wealth equals more dependence on salary, more dependence equals more stress and no options. This cycle is so normal that most people don't even question it. They call it progress, but it's not progress, it's just a more expensive version of the same life. Let's do some very simple math. If Rishi stays with his upgraded lifestyle, savings equals 3,000 rupees per month equals 36,000 rupees per year. Even if he invests it, after 10 years, total wealth approximately 7 to 8 lakh rupees. Now, let's see what would happen if he had maintained his old lifestyle for just 2 more years. Savings equals 12,000 rupees per month equals 1,44,000 rupees per year. Invested for 10 years, that becomes 35 to 40 lakh rupees. Just because he didn't upgrade instantly. Not because he earned crores, not because he invested in some magical scheme, but simply because the gap between income and lifestyle remained wide for longer. The math is boring, but it's brutally real. So, why do smart, educated people make this mistake? 3 reasons. 1. We confuse comfort with progress. A bigger house feels like progress. A car feels like progress. But financially, they are not assets, they are costs. 2. Humans adapt quickly. That new apartment feels amazing for 1 week. That new car feels exciting for 1 month. And then it becomes your new normal. But the EMI stays for 5 years. 3. Social comparison. You don't upgrade because you need it, you upgrade because someone your age already has it. It's not desire, it's pressure, and pressure is expensive. If you ignore this trap for 10 years, here's what happens. Your income grows, your lifestyle grows, your expenses grow, your stress grows, but your wealth stays flat. People call this middle class treadmill. You run fast, you sweat a lot, but you remain in the same position. And then one day, you're 35 or 40 and you realize, I've been working for a decade, but I don't have much to show for it. That realization hurts, and most people reach it late. Smart people don't stop themselves from enjoying life. They don't live like monks. They don't avoid nice things. They simply follow one principle. Delay lifestyle upgrades until your wealth, not your salary, has grown. Smart people upgrade from surplus, not salary hikes. They buy a car only when they can still save comfortably after the EMI. They shift to a better home only when their investments are already compounding. They spend more only when their wealth becomes a shock absorber for emergencies. They treat lifestyle upgrades as a reward for stability, not a reaction to a slightly bigger paycheck. Small delay, huge impact, quiet power. Your net worth isn't growing because your lifestyle is growing faster than your wealth. That's it. There's no complicated formula behind it, no economic theory, just timing, psychology, and a little patience. You don't have to cut your coffee. You don't have to live well. Just let your wealth grow before your lifestyle does. It's a small shift in thinking, but it puts your entire life on a different track. If this video helped you see your finances a little more clearly, consider subscribing to the channel. One subscribe makes a real difference. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.